Hey guys, what's going on? I am Pritish from Technical Coding, and in this video we're gonna see about notification styles. Well, in general we have four different types of notifications in our Android. We have this simple one and inbox one, big text with a lot of text stuff on it, and big picture one. In this video we're gonna only focus on learning on inbox style notification. So let's begin. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications of upcoming videos. Now in our Android Studio, first we're going to create a button. This is just an example, you don't need to create a button to show notification. I will change its ID to click and text to show notification. Now let's go to our main activity, and in here first we'll initialize our button. So private button, I'm call it button, and now I will assign this button with this following ID. So button is equal to find view by ID art.id.click. Now let's call set on click listener in this button, and in the on view method we'll write our code that will display our notification. So write notification compact dot inbox style, call it inbox style is equal to new notification compact dot inbox style semicolon. Now we will call this inbox style object dot set big content title, and here we have to pass in title. I'm gonna call it inbox style notification. You can call whatever you want. Semicolon. Now again call this inbox style notification object dot add line, and here we have to pass the lines. Let's type message 1 is here, semicolon, and I will copy it and paste it 4 times. Change these numbers here, and now inbox style dot set summary text, and this text will be displayed here. Now we are going to create our notification builder. So notification compact dot builder, I'm gonna call it builder, equal to cast it to notification compact dot builder, new notification compact dot builder, and here you have to pass the application context, and now dot set small icon, art.mipmat dot, and this is the icon that I previously prepared. In the next line dot set content title, and the title will be inbox notification style. And we will set the content text to this is a inbox style notification. You can pass whatever the message you want in the notification. This is just for an example. So to make it an inbox style notification, we have to give an set style attribute. So to set style to the inbox style, and for the icon background, I'll set the color to red. Semicolon. And now notification manager, call it notification manager, equal to cast it to notification manager, get system service, and here you will pass context dot notification services, semicolon. Now we will call this notification manager object dot notify 0 comma our notification builder dot build. Now this is here we complete our code, and now let's test it to see how it's work. You can see the notification is working perfectly and it's in a defined style. This is the inbox style notification. Thank you guys, that's it for the today, and if you have any questions or queries, please ask me in the comment section. Take care.